Hi, I wanted to give a quick review and a shout out to Saad Ali for creating the course Forex for Beginners Academy. Before I stumbled across his course, I didn't know anything about Forex. Now I've learned about support and resistance, trend lines and channels, break of structure, risk management, candlestick analysis, Fibonacci retracement. I've learned to have the right mindset and not be so greedy, taking my time learning the process. I was introduced to TradingView. I've learned how to mark up my charts. And what I really love about the course is he created a free student group as well as the free course, so we can submit our charts and get feedback so we know what we're doing wrong. We also know when we're getting it right, and we're able to move on to the next lesson. The reason why I'm so thankful for this course is now I feel like I'm able to provide a better life for my family. I'm very, very thankful for this course, and I encourage anyone who wants a better life for themselves and their family to start the course, Forex for Beginners by Saad Ali. It's totally free. You're not losing anything, and you have everything to gain. Thank you.